Dear student, today we are discussing about the chapter of GP, that is a geometric progressions. This chapter is equally important for the board exam as well as a competitive exam. At first we are discussing some important law about this chapter, and after that we are discussing some important example of this chapter. So at first we are discussing some important law. In GP, that is geometric progressions, suppose first element is equal to A and their common ratio CR, that is a common ratio, is equal to R. Then the nth term, that is the Tn terms, will be A times of R to the power n minus 1. This is the nth terms. When we discuss about the series AR square dot Tn, there is the last terms, that is the nth term is this one. And if we think about the sum of the nth term, then we get Sn is equal to A times of R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1, whereas R greater than 1. One kind of formula to find the sum of the nth terms. And similarly, Sn is equal to A times of 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R, whereas R less than 1. So this is important for GP, that is a geometric progression. And now when we discuss about the 3 terms, 4 term and 5 terms, when we discuss about the 3 terms in GP, then the terms are A by R, A and AR. And this way, if we multiply this all, then we get only 3A. R is vanished. There is a common ratio. Similarly, 4th term is there. Then we take AR cube, A by R, A by R cube. So in this way, if we take, then the multiple of these 4 terms will be 4A. And when 5 term is there, then AR square and A by R square. These are 5 terms. Similarly, when you multiply this all, then we get 5A. 3 terms is this way, 4 term is this way, 5 term is this way. Okay, this is the important formula for the geometric progression. So this is the complete of formula section. Now we move to the example sections of this chapter. Okay, move to the next. Now we are discussing about the first example. Find the 3 terms in GP when their product is 64 and the sum is 14. So according to the formula, let the first term is equal to A by R, second term A, third term AR. Then their product will be A by R multiplied with A into AR, and this is given 64. And similarly, the sum, that is A by R plus A plus AR is equal to 14. Now from here, AQ is equal to 64. There is AQ is equal to 4Q. There is A is equal to 4. Now putting this value here, then we get 4 by R plus 4 plus AR. There is a 4R. Now is equal to 14. Now 4 by R plus 4R is equal to 14 minus of 4. If we take 4 is in common, then 1 by R plus R is equal to 10. Now this one calculating this, then we get this and multiple with then we get 4r square plus of 4 is equal to 10r. And now 2r square minus 5r plus of 2. After calculating this, if this will be 0, then from here r will be half. From here, if we calculating this is 0, then we get r is equal to 2. So the 2 value, there is a 2 minus 2r minus 1 is equal to 0 gives us r is equal to half, and r minus 2 is equal to 0 gives us r is equal to 2. Now the series is this one. So first term is equal to 8, second term is equal to 4, third term is equal to 2 when r is equal to half and a is equal to 4. And similarly, when r is equal to 2 and a is equal to 4, then first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 8. So this is a complete of first example. So we move to the second example of the day. Now the second example we are discussing, find the x if x, x plus 4, x plus 12 are in GP. Now according to the formula, we know that the common ratio of any kind of GP will be the same. Here first term is x, second term is x plus 4, and the third term is x plus 12. Now there are common ratio second by first is equal to third by second. Then putting the value of first, second and third, then we get x plus 4 whole square. There is a 2 and 2 multiple with second and second, there is a second square is equal to first multiple with third. So according to this and putting the value of first, second and third, then we get this. And after calculating, we get x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to x square plus of 12x. X square is vanish. Then 8x minus of 12x plus of 16 is equal to 0. That is the 4x plus of 16 is equal to 0. If we take minus 4 is uncommon, then x minus 4 is equal to 0. That is x minus 4 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 4. So the value of x is equal to 4 for the given GP, which is our equation result. So this is the complete of the second example. Now we move to the third example of the day. Now we are discussing the third example of the day. Third example of the day is a triangle ABC and the perimeter is equal to 26 centimeter and the sides are in GP and the shortest side is 2 centimeter. Then find the other two sides. These types of question is an important for the board exam as well as a competitive exam. So at first we are discussing the law. That is, if 3 side is there, then we can take the side as AR and this is the A by R. So 3 side A by R, A and AR. Now this is a GP because the sides are in GP, and the perimeter, that is A by R, A plus AR is equal to 26. And here the shortest side, this is the shortest side is 2 centimeter. If we take this is the shortest side, then A by R is equal to 2. There is a A is equal to 2R. If we put the value of A, then we get 2. This is the 2 plus A means 2R and A means 2R into R. And this is the 26. By putting the value of A is equal to 2R, A is equal to 2R, then we get this. And A by R is equal to 2. That is 2R plus 2R square is equal to 24. That is R plus R square is equal to 12. That is R square plus R minus of 12 is equal to 0. So from this we get this is the value. That is from here R is equal to 3 and from here r is equal to minus 4. So from this r is equal to 3 and from this r is equal to minus 4. Since length is always positive, so r will be regarded as 3. This is not. That is r is equal to 3 is the value. So the a is equal to 2 times of r. The value of r is equal to 3. That is the a is equal to 6. So the first side will be 2. This is the shortest side. Shortest side is given. And the second side will be 6. And the third side will be 6 multiplied with 3. There is a 18. So the side of the given triangles 2 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 18 centimeter. So this is a complete of the third example. Now we move to the fourth example and the last example of the day. Now we are discussing the fourth and the final example of the day. The fourth and final example is which terms of GP 7, 21, 63 is 1701. So we want to find this 1701 which terms of given GP. So according to the formula, we know that Tn is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1. Here a is equal to 7 and r is equal to 21 divided by 7, that is a 3. Let Tn is equal to 1701. That is a into r to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1701. So putting the value of a and r, then we get 1701. And then 3 to the power n minus 1. Now dividing with 7, then we get so this will be 243. And now 243 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 3 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power 5. That is n minus 1 is equal to 5. That is n is equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6. So 6 term of given GP is equal to 1701. So this is the complete of today's sections. Hope today's discussion will help you to understand this chapter and enrich your knowledge about this chapter. When you practicing this chapter in future for your board exam as well as a competitive exam, this video help you to understand the fact and help you to solve your problems in your exam.